Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com, and this video is for Glenn in South Carolina, and this unit is from 95 SL500. Alright Glenn, so this is your unit here on the bench. I'm just doing this video real quick because it's all set up for it. I still have to finish a few things on it, a couple of adjustments, and plug the main connector to be done. I just wanted to show you this because it's been on the bench for a few days, so it's warmed up pretty well. As you can see, temperature is hitting 100, mid 100s, so that's just to show that unit has been energized for a long time. So this is that. It's not 100% finished. I have to do a few minor tweaks, but the overall idea is that unit has been working long and everything is fine. Okay, so the gear is loose in there, so it makes a little more noises, that's what I'm gonna work on now, but that's fine. So we have our linkage nice and free. This is very light. That's very good. The unit itself cleaned off very nicely. Now, as you can see, the plate is still not attached. So this is how it looks. It's pretty nice. I did leave this bracket here, this little snap ring, because this is the orientation it has to be when you install your unit back in the vehicle. Now, if you face these little tabs sideways, you're gonna hit the intake runner, so you have to have them facing downwards when you attach new hose to it, and then you're gonna be able to install the unit without any difficulties. So these tabs have to face down. Okay, so that is that. Now let's look at live readings here. That's also to be shown. So basically, this is the standard setup. So we have 0.52 right in the middle of the range. 4.25 is basically where they all are. All these units are on my bench. So when we move our throttle linkage here, we open the unit, we'll see voltages change along with micro switches change. So that's just to show that activation is proper, all the readings come in right. This is not going to be mirror image on wide open throttle. That's how they all are. That's fine. But our idea here is that we open throttle, close the throttle, voltages change, they follow. So that's what's important. So we go back to idle. It takes a little bit for readings to come in, but this is where we are. So we're pretty much good here, this department. This reading can be from 0.4 to 0.6. So we're like right there in the mid-range. So if I open it a little more, as you can see, and don't mind switches jumping around, that's how they always used to be. Software limitations, that's nothing. In the SL500, these don't even read, it appears, because control modules always show these switches in one position on V8s. I'm just using different controller to show the actual values, because the other controller I'm using, it just picks up micro switches. It also allows me to open throttle all the way. So I mean, long story short, we're pretty good here. Pretty happy with the result. Unit is very nice. There is lots of metal left on potentiometers. Clean, no oil contamination, no rust. Very good piece. So that's a keeper. Again, I'm gonna have to do a couple of small little tweaks, and basically it will be ready to go. One more time. Activation. So right now the unit is off, as we can see it. Let's activate it. Unit is active. So here we are. I'm gonna go and finish it off, and it will be ready to be mailed out. Alright, so this is it for me. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.